Access codes allow portal administrators to tailor the app experience by delivering content and functionality on a feature-by-feature basis. Admins can set an expiration date for an access code, view a list of active codes, and revoke access at any time. Let's look at how you can create access codes to deliver items to your side menu privately to certain app users. First, click on the side menu and go to Settings at the bottom. Click on App Modules and Links to start. Then click on Access Codes. On this page, you will see the list of access codes that you have set up for your app. Let's create a new one together. Click on Create to get started. That will open up the Access Code Details page. There you can add a title, description, and you can also select the side menu items that you would like to add to that access code. Remember, only modules that have been assigned to access codes from the Module and Links Manager will appear in this list. Click on the items that you would like to include on this code. You also have the option of setting a redeem limit, which allows the code to be used a certain number of times. Optionally, you can also set an expiration date for the code. Once you are done, hit Publish on the top right. Doing that will automatically generate an access code that you can distribute to your app users. From the main access code page, you can view a list of codes that have been created for your app. Selecting an access code and then clicking on the three dots at the right of the line will allow you to preview, edit, duplicate, revoke, deactivate, or delete that code. Revoking an access code will disallow access to the items by all users who have used that code. Revoked codes can be reinstated. Deactivating a code stops consumption of the access code. Access to the modules is still maintained. You can also reactivate deactivated codes. If you choose to delete an access code, it cannot be restored. Duplicating an access code allows you to quickly create many different access codes, all containing the same content. This can be used to distribute the same items to multiple users while assigning each user their own personal access code. Clicking on the Export button allows you to download the access code information as a CSV file. By clicking on the side menu, you can see which items are being delivered via access code by scrolling to the bottom and opening the Access Code Modules list. Now let's look at how your users can redeem their access codes on their apps. When the users are in the app, they need to click on the settings at the bottom of the side menu. There, they need to click on Add Access Codes and then enter the code you have provided them. Once that is done, they have access to their content.